Hey Shugs, welcome back to my channel, Anxiety Art Adventures. My name is Laura, and today I'm going to be doing a sneak peek for you from the Diamond Design Co. Ditsy reached out to me it's about a month or so ago and asked if I would do the sneak peek, and I said sure, and I got it recently, and I wanted to do a video and show you guys this awesome product that's going to be new from the Diamond Design Co. It is a set of 3 diamond paintings. Yes, ma'am, and sirs. It's going to be a set of 3. And this product is going to be offered on the Diamond Design Co. on Thursday, November the 14th. So I will have the link down below for you to check that out. Okay, are we ready? I'm going to flip it over. Okay, so it comes in this awesome box. Isn't that nice? Look at this. Hot Flashy Girls. Whoops. Hot Flashy Girls. Now, these are from Sherri Baldy, licensed artist, and you get these 3 designs. You guys, being a woman in her early 50s and going through women things, I appreciate this. The first one is I'm not sassy, just hot flashy, and she's sitting in a tub with ice. The second one is when you're hot, with a fan blowing up her skirt. And the third one is caution, menopausal woman, with a bunch of fans on her. This is perfect. This is perfect. Oh my goodness. Okay, so we're going to open this up. I do want to thank Dissy for sending this product to me. Full disclosure, this was sent to me free of charge. And she just wanted me to show it to all of you. So here we go. All right, you open the box. You get the drills. All right, we're going to put these to the side. I'm going to have to figure out which ones go with which. Okay, you're going to get a basic toolkit. You get a tray, blue wax, squishy, tweezers, and a basic pen. Okay, nice. Basic toolkit. All right, and these are the 3 canvases. Now look here. Oh. All right, let me get the box out of the way. I like the sturdy box. It definitely was not damaged. It comes shipped with this, in this box, with, in like a padded bag over it. It was shipped very, very nicely. Okay, so it looks like, okay, I got you. So these are your individually cut out sticker sheets for each kit. So each of these stickers you can pull off and put on your bags. I think that's fabulous. And look at that. You've got each one. And it looks like the first one has 37 colors. The second one has 35 colors. And the third one has 40 colors. And look, I like how they have highlighted where you've got ABs. I'm assuming those are like shimmer drills, probably the ZGs. But they're highlighted in yellow so you can see which ones are special drills. That's very nice. Very nice and easy to the eyes for us older ladies. Okay, and then this is just a duplicate so you can have a checklist. So you can keep this, you know, as you're going along and you can look at the numbers. I like that there are 2 options here because, or 2 that are included. Because these are going to go in your bags, and then this one you can keep out and keep as a reference. Very nice, very nice. Okay, we're going to put that to the side. Let's see. So, oh, I see. Okay. All right, well, let's open a kit first. I'm so sorry. I have cats that are running around like crazy. Crinkle noise. Crinkle noise. All right, first kit. First kit. Let me roll it the other way. All right, and these are not going to be in any particular order, just so you know. All I'm doing is I'm rolling the kit backwards so that it will lay flat a little bit more. These are poured glue canvases with resin drills. And look at that. How cool is that? When you're hot, you're hot. Look at that. And she's got a fan. I love it. That is fantastic. Fantastic. Okay, so this one, when you're hot, this one has 35 colors. Now, there is one thing I noticed on this, which maybe because it comes in a set of 3, but you do not have a key code on the kit. So you are going to have to rely on your checklist here. Okay, so that one has 40 colors, so that's the bigger kit. Let's see. This one has 35 colors. So let's see. We're going to look at the drills just so I can see. 35. Okay, this one is, these are the colors that go with this kit. Aren't they pretty? They're nice square drills. You got pinks, orange, brown, white. Lovely colors. Lovely colors. So yes. Oh my gosh. Very sticky. I always do the sticky test. And the plastic is a thicker plastic. It is not too thin. I appreciate that. I appreciate that. All right. And down here it says the artist is Sherri Baldy. And you've got the title, Hot Flashy Girls, down in the right. Okay, so this is going to be a lot of color blocking, especially around the outside. But you are going to have some confetti throughout the dress and in her hair. They're going to be different colors in her face and in the fan. Woohoo. Okay. So 30, 31, 32. We're going to look at the special drills. I'm not going to spend a whole lot of time on it because I do have 3 of these. Let's see. All right. So you've got ABs and then you've got, now check this out, y'all. All right, so let me pull these out. Hold on. So, okay, so your background is going to be the 5200, but I don't know if you guys can tell. These are shimmer drills. All of these are shimmer drills. So that means your background is not going to be a straight, flat white. It's going to be shimmer drills. That's awesome. Okay, and then you've got a pink AB and an orangey yellow AB. And then these are more shimmer drills here. Some browns and some oranges. Those are actual shimmer drills. I promise, they're shimmer drills. So nice. So it looks like you get a nice mix of special drills here with ABs and shimmer drills. So yes, I'm not going to go through and show you exactly where everything is. I think that's going to take a little bit of time, but know that you definitely have some special drills in there. So that is awesome. Okay. So that is the first one. All right. Trying to put these to the side. Stay there. Okay. That is the first one. When you're hot, you're hot. And I like the fact that these are smaller size. They're not huge. They'll work up quickly. And you know what? These are cute. You can frame these and put these in, like, you know, a bathroom or something, or in your bedroom. I know my husband's going to get a kick out of these. Okay, so that's the first one. All right, let's see what this one is. And all 3 of these kits, just so you all know, I did verify with Ditsy. All 3 kits are $85. So it'll be $85 US pricing plus your shipping costs. But I think these are fantastic. All right, we're just going to roll this the other way. I love the Diamond Design Co. I got a set of the mini Squishmallows, and I need to actually work on them. Okay, here we go. This is the other one. I'm not sassy, just hot flashy. Look at that. That is awesome. And she's sitting there holding ice in a little, and she's sitting in a little tub. Oh my gosh. That's amazing. That's amazing. Okay, so this one is 37 colors. That's this one here. And you get 2 ABs and then 4 shimmer drills. So it looks like you get 2 ABs and 4 shimmer drills for each one. Very nice, very nice. Okay, so that's the 40 color one. So this must be the 35. Did I open the wrong? Nope, I didn't. Okay, this is it. This is the 30. I got to keep things together with the canvases. Trying to keep it together here. Okay. That's one suggestion I would make, is to put on each set of drills like which canvas they go with. That might make it a little bit easier. Just a suggestion. Okay, so these are the drills that go with this set. Maybe if I turn it sideways there so you can see all the pretty colors. You've got a variety of colors there. Sorry, that's my cat in the background. Very nice, very nice. And yeah, you can see here, these are your ABs and then your shimmer drills. One moment, please. Oh my goodness, one moment. Okay, so sorry, I had to break up a little cat argument there. So sorry about that. Anyway, so these are your 2 ABs. You've got a pink one and a yellow one. And then these colors are all shimmer drills. So a green, it looks like a grayish black, and then like a light gray, and then the white. Lovely, lovely. I'm going to keep these two together. These are square drills, just so you know, square. I don't know if it will be offered in round as well. Probably not. It's probably going to be square. Okay. So, again, you've got the artist down in the bottom. You've got the title, Hot Flashy Girls. Love it. That's going to be really pretty. The colors in her hair and in her little bandana around her head. So cute, you guys. So cute. Ah. Just trying to get some of the wrinkles out. That's a tip. If you pull it up halfway and then bring it back down, you can get the majority of the wrinkles out. Love it. Love it, love it. Okay, so that's I'm Not Sassy, Just Hot Flashy. So cute. So cute. Okay, I need to keep these together. All right. All right, and then the last one. How many of y'all are familiar with these sentiments? Let me know down in the comments below. I am personally going through it. That's what happens when you're a woman and you go through things as you get older. Things. All right, and here is the third one. Put that over here. Caution, menopausal woman. Look at that. And then she's got 2 fans. That's me, totally all the way, every night. 2 fans. So cute. So cute. And I like how these canvases they're softer. They're not really firm canvases. So they're more pliable, I guess would be the word. They're just soft. They bend. They're not too soft on the back, but they're comfy. Comfy. That's what I would say. They're comfy. That is awesome. Okay. And then this is the one that has 40 colors. Not that one. Hold on. This one. Yes. This one has 40 colors. Okay. Let's find the AB. There we go. So this is your color palette for this kit. Lots of teals, orange, green, brown. Very cool. I love teal and orange. That's like one of my favorite color combos. All right, and then you've got your 2 ABs. So starting from my finger down, you've got your 2 ABs, which is here. It's probably going to put a glare on the canvas, but at least this way you'll be able to see. You've got a gray AB, an orange AB, and then these 4 are shimmer drills. Very nice, very nice. Oh, just so cute. All right, so let me line these up. Okay, so again, these are going to be available Thursday, the 14th of November on the Diamond Design Co. There you go. I can't even get all of them in here. I can try. There we go. Let me get the glare off of there. There we have it. You've got I'm Not Sassy, Just Hot Flashy. You've got Caution, Menopausal Woman. And then When You're Hot, You're Hot. So, and these are by Sherri Baldy. Adorable, absolutely adorable. And I like the fact they come in a set of 3. Again, my suggestions are just from first impression. This is just a first impression because I haven't worked on it, but I would put a key code legend of the colors on the canvas itself. And then I would also put which canvas for each set pack of drills. I think it would just make it easier from, a logistics standpoint. But the rendering looks very good, especially for the size. For a 30 by 40, the rendering looks really nice. And yeah, the colors are going to be nice and vibrant. The drills look really, clean. I don't see a lot of trash in the drills, first impressions. So there we have it. The Hot Flashy Girls by the Diamond Design Co. Again, I want to thank Ditsy and Amy for sending me this set as a sneak peek for all of you. I'll have the link down below. Check it out, and also check out all of the other artists and offerings that the Diamond Design Co. has. And hit that thumbs up and subscribe. If you have any questions, comments, please put them down below. But let me know in the comments if you would be interested in doing cute little kits like this. I personally think this is great, especially to be offered as a set of 3. I think that's a really nice option to have. So, all right. I hope all of you have a fabulous, fabulous day, and I will see you again very, very soon. Bye, guys.